Okay, guys, this is Angel Romeo here. Yeah, I'm so happy to be here again. I hope you're doing well. And okay, guys, I'm always available for any question or anything you need. You can let me know on the comments. You can just leave a comment. Please, if you are not subscribed, uh, click on the subscribe button. Try um, to leave your comments, and yeah, I'll always available for you. So please, if you like this video, if you want to share the information with any friend, this is important for me because if the main goal for creating this video is to make a community. So if we try to make these videos bigger, that is gonna be amazing. So thank you so much, guy, for your support. I really appreciate it. So okay, so let's get started. Today I'd like to talk about several topics. First, of course, as you know, I've been looking for a new job opportunity. Yeah, I've had some interviews. Nowadays to find a new job is something difficult. Maybe I don't know. In the past, it was easier, really easier. But today it's like okay, many recruiters contact you, but in the end, the process is blocked for any reason. And yeah, there are many reasons. Maybe sometimes, yeah, you can attend the interview, then you can um, answer a technical test, but finally, yeah, maybe other candidates or another person uh, place your position. So yeah, it's something difficult, but yeah, at least I have learned about these interviews because maybe I didn't know about this process because the hiring process has changed. So it's so important to know what are the new roles, what technologies you should learn, and yeah, you need to understand how the current market is working to try to uh, update your knowledge and skills and try to do your best to have more chance to be fired. So yeah, okay. So on the other hand, I've been working on some personal projects and helping my dad in some Spring Boot projects. So yeah, maybe regarding my personal projects, of course, I'm working on a new blog because I don't know, maybe I like to have all my podcasts uploaded in my own blog. That's one thing, but on the other hand, of course, I like to start writing articles because I consider my ideas, my knowledge, um, my experience could be um, told throughout articles. So I like to start creating articles. My own website in which I can show my projects, my ideas. Maybe I'm gonna create a custom section for uploading my podcast videos. Maybe I'm gonna try to have a special content for my website visitors. And yeah, so I'm working on that, and maybe in a few days that website is going to be on live. So uh, keep attentive because maybe in a few days I'll be posting about this new website. So okay. On the other hand, yeah, I've been learning about Cloud Code, MCP, LLM models, all this kind of new concepts. So of course, I got a new certification working with Gemini. So I already know the main concepts and functions, and yeah, every feature that you could use when you want to use Gemini. So right now, Gemini is more than a chat. You can, for example, create new projects from scratch using Gemini, generate code, generate image, videos. So if you don't know the features, maybe you can lose the opportunity to create big things. So it's important to know, to understand what is the goal of the tool. And yeah, so I invite you to study about Gemini and any other ChatGPTs, because most of the people just use it, ask questions and copy and paste, but they don't know what kind of integration they can do and all this kind of things. So you should try to practice using, try to use the API. Google has many APIs which you could use to create your own application. So try to look for about it, and yeah, that's it. Okay, and finally, maybe let me let me show you. I'm sorry. Let me show you something. Okay, so we have, yeah, cloud. The cloud is growing. Maybe maybe in the past, ChatGPT was the most important GPT around the world, but nowadays, regarding software development, Cloud Code is one of the most important tools. It's really useful. You have several models. Most of them are paid, but yeah, you can, if you want, try with the free version. That's a no. It depends on your project. But yeah, in my case, I have paid for the, I don't remember the version, but let me check. I have pro version. Okay, billing. Okay, I have a pro plan. Yeah, so $20. But yeah, you can decide to pay or not. It depends on your situation. If you want to create big application or any kind of application, so you could try to use it. So yeah. On the other hand, sorry. On the other hand, so we have a Cloud Code, of course. I have used it from the terminal. It's really useful because you can just install the tool, and then you can use your IDE or your editor code, and from there you can ask questions, and automatically the API or the Cloud Code tool is going to read all your project and is going to suggest you the feature, can give you advices or any kind of help you need. So it's so easy to use, and you can use it of course from the terminal, from a website or IDE extension. So this is really useful. So try to use it. Because maybe when you use just the chat, of course you can ask questions, but the answer you need to copy and paste it instead of having the tool installed in your IDE. You can just ask, and automatically the code is going to be updated. So that's quicker and easier. So yeah, I recommend you to try it. Check it out about it. And of course, I have read about MCP. So today, with these new applications, websites, we have a new concepts, agents or sub agents. So you should look an agent like a virtual assistant. So right now, using Cloud Code, Gemini, we can create, we can use or create custom agents to use it whenever we want. So it's so easy because you can we have a custom MCP already created for the community, so you could just use the MCP created, or you can create your own MCP, and you can, yeah, as you can look in this image, we have the basic concept. We have the MCP, which can connect to IDE, other AI applications. So it's a way of connecting new APIs and to make integration. So you can create an agent for reading your emails, or for creating new events in your calendar, or any other kind of daily activity. You can just automate it using this kind of MCPs. So try to check it out because it's so important to know about these topics today. And yeah, it's really useful. On the other hand, yeah, I have heard about OpenCloud. You know, OpenCloud was launched a few weeks ago, and yeah, it's important to know about how this platform is working, because maybe you could understand how the software development and the industry is changing. So try to check the latest updates. Try to check the new feature, the documentation, the GitHub, of course, is open source, so you can check all these new folders and read the documentation, and yeah, you can check this out. And regarding Moldbook, it maybe, yeah, I haven't read a lot about this about this topic, but yeah, we have this new agent social network. So maybe it's interesting to to know what are the comments, and yeah, this kind of social life from the agents. So yeah, maybe you could try to read it and create your own agent, and yeah, try to build your or your own applications. And yeah, guys, I don't know, maybe I don't know, maybe that's everything for today. Yeah, of course, I'd like to start a new course in which I want to teach English. Maybe, I'll try to create a strategy, because nowadays we have many free and paid courses for learning English, but many people don't speak English well, and that's the truth. So my intention is to create. I don't know if that is gonna be a course, or I don't know what kind of word is the correct, but maybe I like to create a blog, a podcast, or videocast, maybe, in which I can just give my opinion about how you should learn a new language. We can discuss, we can practice. Maybe, I don't know. It would be really interesting if we could create a new community in which everybody can help to others. And yeah, in the end, the idea is to use our own knowledge to change the society. So we can just learn and learn, and save all the information, save all the knowledge in a box, and don't use it. You need to learn for helping the community, for creating new tools. Remember that the knowledge, it's a way of creating a big thing. So you should look the knowledge as a way of creating new opportunities for people. So when everybody think about it, the society is gonna change. So you can just look at the knowledge and okay, I know more than my coworkers, so I'm the only person who knows about this topic, and that's great because I know and you don't know. You can think in that way because that's a big mistake. You should try instead. You should try of helping people use your own knowledge to give more access, to give more opportunities for people. So my podcast, my goal is using my own resources, my own knowledge to help people to create new things, to create new tools to make um, an easy life. So and that's it, guys. Thank you so much for listening to me. Maybe if you have any comment, you can let me know. Try to you many people just listen to me and they leave the channel. But if you look at my videos, you can discover new opportunities to hear about new interesting topics. I have talked about politics, religion, technology, society. So try to give an opportunity to my channel. Maybe I don't speak English 100% fluent, but okay, I'm trying to do it because I know if I start speaking today and I try to help new phrasal verbs, vocabulary, I know that in the future I'm gonna be one of the best speaking English. But I have to start today. So maybe people think that okay, I'm gonna wait until I learn a lot of things about English, and when I know everything, I'm gonna start my podcast. No, you should start your podcast today. It doesn't matter if you don't speak English really fluent or if you don't know everything about English. Of course, I'm sure that I have made a lot of mistakes speaking in my podcast, but it doesn't matter, guys. If you understand, that's the most important thing. And of course, and I'm currently studying. I'm currently taking online classes. Every day, I'm I'm trying to improve. So that's the most important thing. And it's absolutely valid to fail today, but you need to correct tomorrow. So if you fail today, tomorrow you are gonna learn from your error and you're gonna correct. So it doesn't matter if you fail today. You can fail today. You can maybe yeah, you can speak, or maybe you can do anything, but it doesn't matter, man. Just try it. It's like when you want to um, be a better singer, or if you want to dance better, or there are many things in which people don't have a really high level, and they just say okay, I'm not good at dancing, I'm not good at programming, I'm not good at speaking English, and they just limit your mind. They just say okay, I'm not good, and they don't try to improve. They don't create a plan. They don't change their action. If you change your actions, you're gonna change your future. So if maybe today you're not the best speaking English, or you're not the best at doing something, you can try and think, okay, what am I doing? What should I change? And look at others. You just need to shadow others and follow the same steps, guys. The same steps. Organize your time, create a plan, to create a discipline, to focus on the important things. Don't distract with social media. And if you follow all these rules, all these steps, believe me, you're gonna change your mindset. So this is everything.